Inside a $20 million Beverly Hills mansion tour, welcome to Iconic Luxe. Today we're taking you inside one of the most breathtaking homes in Beverly Hills, a $20 million modern masterpiece that defines luxury living in 2025. This architectural gem sits on over half an acre in the heart of Beverly Hills, boasting over 12,000 square feet of sleek, open-concept living space. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with a dramatic entrance, a floating staircase, and jaw-dropping curb appeal. Step inside and you're welcomed by 24-foot ceilings, a floating marble fireplace, and seamless indoor-outdoor living. The living room flows effortlessly into the gourmet chef's kitchen, equipped with Miele appliances, custom Italian cabinetry, and a 20-foot waterfall island. The formal dining space seats 12 and opens into a 500-bottle glass wine cellar, perfect for lavish dinner parties. And for entertainment, a private cinema room with leather recliners, surround sound, and blackout curtains for the ultimate movie night. The primary suite is a true sanctuary, with panoramic views of the LA skyline, a fireplace, private terrace, and a walk-in closet bigger than most apartments. The ensuite bath features a soaking tub, dual rainfall showers, and imported marble finishes. Step outside to a resort-style backyard with an infinity-edge pool, spa, sunken fire pit lounge, outdoor kitchen, and private cabana. This home was designed for both relaxation and unforgettable gatherings. Of course, luxury meets innovation here. The entire home is fully automated, from lighting and climate to security and sound, all controlled by touch or voice. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. A private retreat designed for those who expect the very best. From celebrity-worthy amenities to unmatched style, this Beverly Hills mansion is truly iconic. Love this tour? Hit that like button, subscribe to Iconic Luxe, and comment below. Would you live here if money were no object? Stay tuned for more luxury tours, high-end experiences, and the lifestyle of the elite. This is Iconic Luxe, where luxury lives.